Hello everybody, this is Carolina Lizon, an associate and a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, November 24th of 2010, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. Hope you're all still okay and ready for some technical analysis here with me. So, let's get started. Wow! Look at this huge gap up that we had this morning on the Q's, and what's more, we are holding that gap, pointing higher, busting through that upper area of resistance that we were talking about yesterday and a few days back too. So we are busting through it and closing above it, and it was right at the 53 mark. So what else we do see here? We are bouncing off of that pink trend line, which is a strong area of support right now at this moment, and we were talking about it yesterday, how perfect we closed right on it, which was an indication that we're not really ready to go lower, but be careful. And look what happened today. We are reversing our trend, heading higher, which is indicating bullish, but be really careful trading in that environment, because the MACD is not confirming that move. The MACD is still showing bearish. It's still pointing lower with another negative tick, which is not as strong as the one that we had yesterday, but it's still negative. So it's showing us bearish, and Q's daily chart is showing us bullish. So there is a divergence in here. So be really careful trading in this environment. So what we should look for and watch for tomorrow is, if we get another run up tomorrow, we still have some more room to go all the way up to the upper area of resistance right here, the 453.45 mark. So what could happen here is we could go all the way up to that upper area of resistance, and we could pause here for a little while, and we could get stopped at it and pull back down to that lower area of support right there at the 53 mark, and then we could break through it and continue to the downside to that lower area of support right here, the 52.30 mark, actually the 52.27 mark, which is sitting right at this pink trend line, which is a pretty strong and major area of support to watch. So we can do that, or we can pull back down to that lower area of support right here, the 53 mark, and then bounce off of it, busting through that upper area of resistance right here, the 53.41 mark, and continue to the upside, breaking through that 53.85, and then getting all the way up to that 54.04, which is the high. And then we could form a double top right there, and we'll need to watch this area really closely. So at least you have some scenarios here in front of you, so you can actually follow the market and play what you see and never do what you think. That's the key. So remember that phrase. Always play what you see, never do what you think. That's the key again. And also pay really close attention to the MACD and look for confirmation. And the other thing I was going to mention here to you, due to the Thanksgiving holiday here in the US, the US market is closed tomorrow. And then on Friday, we're going to have a short day, and the US market is going to be open until 1 p.m. Eastern time. So we're going to have a pretty short day on Friday. So if you don't have anything else to do, just have fun trading if you would like to do so. So I'll just talk to you again on Friday anyways, and we're just going to analyze everything the whole week and do this fun stuff right there on Friday. So again, happy Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you later.